in the design and build of our new facility here in Sioux Falls. We have pulled from our experience in Canada as well as experience of our customers to design the most food-safe grain processing plant in existence. We know there's only one way to make our ingredients, and that's the right way the first time. A closed system is the most appropriate way to process flax because we eliminate the possibility for foreign material contamination.
The facility design allows us to be more proactive about food safety. There are certain fail-safes that are simply built into the design.
Once an employee enters into this facility and puts on their captive footwear and laundered uniform, they never walk outside of this facility. Whether it be raw grain deliveries or finished product pickup, external world never enters into our facility and we never have to exit this facility. We have completely internal grain handling and grain storage as opposed to exterior bins and exterior grain handling. We can ensure that our grain is not subject to environmental or pest contamination based on the fact that our entire process is under roof, is under cover, and is stored in the most food safe manner possible. Our entire facility achieves at least a MERV 15 filtered air under positive pressure to ensure that the building doesn't allow any air from outside to enter into the building. We did a slip form construction, which means there's no internal ledges or building construction that can collect dust, that can make hard to clean places. We coved every floor so that the plant is extremely easy to clean. We have several segregation zones. Inside these zones, there's special entry parameters. Employees will have a change of footwear. They'll have uniforms that are only allowed inside that room. We'll have positive pressure HEPA filtered air. We also have dedicated maintenance tools inside of those rooms to ensure that if there's not a possibility for recontamination. Standards that are seen in other higher risk industries that we've adapted to the grain industry in a way that the grain industry's never done before.
Our customers need to know that we're serious about food safety and quality, and making sure that we won't let any products go that pose a problem from a food safety or a quality standpoint. So before we've even processed, we've had 2 checks to keep us from receiving product that's not quite pure enough. And then after that, after we've processed it, we have some in-process checks centered around the particle size and also, depending on the product, its viscosity or thickness. We retain our samples for 2 years past the expiration date. That's important to our customers because they need to understand that we have traceability for all our products, and then also we can investigate an incident if it were to occur.
What that ensures to our customers is that we're going to be there as a partner to you throughout your use of our ingredient, throughout the shelf life of your finished product. We're going to stand by the quality of our ingredients.
It hit home when I went home and I saw my children eating some food with some flax in it. And I realized, this is food that my children, my family eats. And so I'm going to do all I can to make sure that it's safe.
And just looking across their customer base as a rule, they're looking for innovation. They want to stay ahead of the curve, because it's a very competitive marketplace for them. So they want the ability to align with a supplier who can stay up with them and stay up with the trends. With healthy grains like flaxseed, chia, and other products, there's still limitations because of flavor, particle size. This new facility is going to help neutralize some of those obstacles and allow our customers to go further with their incorporation of nutrition into mainstream products. Our staff takes it very seriously that they're making products that are going into a lot of national and international brands out there. The way it's designed, the traffic flow, the air filtration, there's just so many features that I would consider atypical for the general grain processing facility in the marketplace. It's not a grain processing facility, but it's a food ingredient plant. There's really no limiting factors to this facility. If you can dream it, we can do it.